Reaching your potential is about optimizing your daily habits. Now, we could go deep here by identifying habits that are holding you back, like procrastination or negative self talk or avoiding challenges or change for that matter. But let's focus on developing the keystone habits. Those habits that have a ripple effect on other areas of your life. These habits give you the physical and emotional strength, the clarity, courage, and resilience to help you move closer to your goals each and every day. Now, mine are daily meditation and exercise, as well as getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Yep, I'm usually in bed by 9. So for us, though, awareness is the first step to change. So be honest with yourself. You aren't competing with anyone here. Habit change is a process, so start small, be consistent, stay committed to you, and please celebrate the small wins along the way. Now, your keystone habits shape your future. Make them work for you. Now, here are a few that you can consider beyond mine that I just shared, like staying hydrated with water, reading 30 minutes a day, turning off your screens before going to bed, at least 60 minutes beforehand. Go to bed earlier. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Journal. Right? This is about understanding you and then being consistent. Jerry Seinfeld had a great analogy for this when he worked and wrote comedy every day. You see, he had a wall calendar and he just drew a circle in each day that he worked. Well, his goal was don't break the chain. The beauty of this is that he didn't focus on, I have to do this for 3 months, 6 months, and years, which can be incredibly daunting, right? And that's what keeps most people from achieving their goals. You see, that frame of mind won't get you any closer to where you want to be. Instead, Jerry simply focused on one day and then the next. Even if he just wrote a few minutes a day, that was a win for him. So try it for yourself, see how it works in developing your keystone habits. And I promise you, if you dial these in, it will change your life and change the way others experience you. That has absolutely been my journey and can be yours too. Remember, friends, your best is yet to come. Cheers.